here because it says the likelihood of trading these prices again soon or soon. In a trading range, you're going to be trading the same prices a lot. Okay, when you're going up and down, okay, you're going to trade these prices on the way down, and then you're going to come right back up and trade them again, and you're going to trade them again and trade them again. So this question is basically asking me, alright guys, I'm actually doing some live trading, so I thought I'd take a minute to show you how this indicator works. It's not really an indicator, it's more like a note, because you are the indicator. You have to answer these questions. So I did this about 20 minutes ago. We can do it again. The key is to always be cycling through these questions, through this checklist, so that you can constantly be updating what you feel about the market. You don't want to get a bias up here and be trading it all the way here. I mean, you could, but it's probably not going to be ideal if the market changes. So this is just here to remind me to do the analysis, so I made it into an indicator. So we can look at it here. Ask some questions. What was the last all-in direction? Well, it was long. It was long right here, okay? But the overall direction has been short. So when I'm asking this question, I'm asking what I want to know, is this a pullback in a trend, or is this the last all-in direction here? Is this the last all-in direction, or is this the last all-in direction? So if you want to use it, you got to decide which one you're going to use. I'm going to say the last all-in direction is this big channel, because this is not enough to reverse this channel. So I'm going to say it's short. So I pick short. What market cycle are we in? I think we're in a broad channel right here. You can see it's starting to come away from this top again. So broad channels, bulls and bears can make money, but it's a short. It's a bear channel, so I want to stay bearish on this. So broad channel, is it strong or weak? This is more going to be referring to the trend, and I think the trend's pretty strong. This is a spike on a smaller time frame, and on this time frame I should say. So this is just like a couple big bars on like the 15-minute. Yeah, see, it's just a few big bars. I don't think this is enough to reverse this, so I'm going to continue to say that it's strong, because the all-in direction from before is still strong. Now this is pretty cool here, this question here, because it says the likelihood of trading these prices again soon or soon. In a trading range, you're going to be trading the same prices a lot. Okay, when you're going up and down, okay, you're going to trade these prices on the way down, and then you're going to come right back up and trade them again, and you're going to trade them again and trade them again. So this question is basically asking me, what is the likelihood of trading the prices again soon? If I think it's high, that means we're in a trading range. And you see, if I think it's high, we're going to output trading range. If I think it's low, we're going to output trend. Because if it's low and we're not in the, say we're going up and I think it's low probability that we're going to trade this prices again, though that means I think it's going to keep going up. If I think that the probability is very low that we're going to trade these prices again based on how it's acting, it's going to tell me that it's in a strong trend. So I'm going to say very low, and you'll see it changes to strong trend. Let's go back to low. Look right here. If I go very low, changes to strong trend. And then I just have some characteristics here, like what do I see? What kind of patterns do I see? And this is mainly what I trade. I trade wedges, triangles, and flags. Okay, so if I'm looking to trade those, I look for them in the chart, see if I can find them. And there was a wedge on the 5-minute. I'll show it to you here. 5-minute. Wedge on the 5-minute looked like this here. You could say this is the first push down, this is the second, this is the third, that's a wedge. Or you could say this is number one, this is number two, and you're waiting for a third wedge. And I could see us getting that on a day like today. I could see us getting a parabolic wedge where it's just so emotional, it just continues to hit new lows. But I ask myself, can the market reach down all the way to here? 188 points down. That'd be like a mini crash on the 5-minute. So I don't know. But I want to put these characteristics in there so that I'm looking for them, that I know that I've looked for them. Triangles I didn't see. Flag, I did see this was a flag compared to this downtrend. All right. And then this here, this last one is additional notes. So I can write in here anything that I'm noticing that I want to keep in front of my face. So looks like the market is all in long, but it's just a bull leg in a broad channel. I don't want to go long. I'm waiting for the next short signal. I got that here. That's why I went short here. All right. This is just quick notes: highs, lows, gaps, wicks, exceptional reversal. Look for patterns, wedges. So I want to see what happens when it breaks above a high. What happens to price when it breaks below a low? Is it bought up immediately? This broke below a low here and had a measure move down. Wasn't bought up right away. Okay, this has not broken above a high, so it can't even get to the high to try to break it, so I can't mark that. But yeah, real quick, thought I would show you this. This is how I think. These are the questions I go through all the time when I'm in a trade, when I'm in the market, when I'm looking at the market. And sometimes I'll forget some of them. You know, like I'll say, you know, who's making money now and how are they doing it? That's one of my questions that's not on here. The bulls made money here. They did it through stop orders. They did it buying the tops of bars. They did it on limits. How are bears making money here? It looks like they're selling the tops of bars and they're selling the bottoms of bars now. So when limit bears that drove this up, the weaker part of the bear party, can't make money, you know, can bulls make money in a bear trend? Can bears make money in a bull trend? Those are two very powerful questions, because if they can make money, then your premise of a trend, you know, it tells you what am I trying to say? It tells you the strength of the trend. You know, if prices are just going down, 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 and I'm buying, there's no way I can make money because prices never go up. But if prices are going down and they go up and then they go down and they go up and go down and go up significantly enough for me to scalp out at profits, then yeah, I can make money. But is that easy? You have to decide. So this is less of an indicator and more of a what do you see, and continue looking for things, because the market's changing at every tick. Every tick you're getting new information. You could potentially update this every bar, but the all-in direction doesn't flip that often typically, so you don't need to do that. But yeah, thought I'd share it with you. If you guys want it, email me, j@jmoneytrades.com. I'll send you the code. I'm actually going to start putting all my indicators on my site, jmoneytrades.com, so that you guys can just go and play around in the indicator section. And that'll make it a lot easier. I don't have to respond to emails. All right. Hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you in the next one. Peace.